What's going on YouTube, man? We back at it up in the garage, man. It's Sunday fun day. I don't know if everybody tuned into my live last night, but like I said before, we are finally sold out for the Silver Bullet giveaway, man. You already know what's going on. We've been having a giveaway going for a minute, but things take time. Greatness most certainly take time, but we got it accomplished, man. So we are finally sold out of all the keychains, patches, hats, everything think of. The only thing we have left right now, if you want to enter to win to the Silver Bullet giveaway before we go live this Friday, 3/31/23, is you have to cop you a last call slide and sticker for $25 at 20 spots. Only for the ones who want to get in. If you don't, you don't have to get in. Besides that, everyone who entered the win, you're locked and loaded. I'm making the list of numbers and names and everything right now. That's why I said I have until Friday to make sure everything is 100% accurate. I'm gonna put it up way before Friday, like Tuesday or Wednesday, just so y'all can have enough time to find your names and numbers while we're waiting. So that way, by the time Friday come, I'll have all the other parts in the mail I order for both of these bikes. So that way, by Friday, hopefully both of these could be complete, running and riding, so all the winners can come claim their prizes. So that's how I'm looking at it, man. Literally, I cannot wait, man. It's game time. We are finally about to be going live this Friday. Like I said, I would have done it yesterday or today, but I want to make sure everybody can find their names and numbers. I don't want to sit there and go through all of that, and then in the end, people are still like, man, I never seen my name or da-da-da. I want everybody to feel involved, so that's why I'm doing it like that. But anyway, man, we finally got it going, man. Y'all see what's going on. We're up in the garage, up early Sunday morning, about to take action and execute, man. I'm telling y'all, I am feeling good. And I cannot wait, man. We got everything laid out on the floor. We're about to go ahead and finish assembling this motor onto the frame. I gotta finish assembling this, put the harness on, all that good stuff, bolt up the wires, the bars. We're about to get all the stuff on the way right now, man. And the same with this, we're about to get this harness up on there, get these last pieces as complete as possible, because I'm telling y'all, I'm trying to have y'all ready to go by Friday, riding, not sliding. We're gonna head to LA and head to Antonio Paint Shop to check on this paint, so stay tuned for that. And then on top of that, we should have this thing on 2 wheels from the rim shop, man. So it's game time. We still got all the powder coated pieces down here looking good. So we're about to be on the way, man. Everything is about to get cleaned out and organized. We got it looking a little crazy, just trying to get everything on track. But like I said, man, it's finally game time with the Silver Bullet giveaway. Like I said, if you have not entered and you still want to enter right now, all you have to do is literally go on BuiltByDre.BigCartel, copy a last call sliding sticker for $25 for 20 spots right now. Besides that, we sliding, not hiding, man. Y'all see what time it is. I don't even know. We've been in here going through it, trying to get this Roadglide on the way. But it's been a long time coming. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. And it's so funny, that's why I have to do this, because I've been working on a twin cam, and then we got the MA right there. So a lot of it is the same, but more so, I'm not gonna lie, the twin cam is a lot much more easier since the motor is smaller, but it's not stopping us from what we gotta do and get done. So with that being said, we got a lot of stuff completed within this last few hours. So we got the motor and trans finally completely bolted together, torqued down. We got that completely on there. I got the front and the rear mount. I was really going through some crazy hell doing this, because I had the front mount connected with the rear one on there, but it couldn't sit still. So I had to take off the rear swing arm, drop the shocks, all that, move the transmission back. Finally was able to do that. Then on top of that, we have some more problems over here, trying to get this space up there, but we got it going, man. I love the fact I powder coated all these little parts. like the horn, the bracket, the front mount, everything, because it's all coming together looking good. We're gonna finish torquing this transmission top down. But like I said, we got everything on here looking good, man. We still have to get an inner primary, and I'm gonna go to Harley Monday to get that thrust gasket, and then we're gonna put the inner primary and the stator, all that good stuff on there. But for now, we're making a lot of progress getting the motor fully bolted. Besides that, I got to get a cam cover gasket, and then we're really good. I got the other oil pressure sensor in my truck, but it's coming together. We got the crash bar on there with the crash bar brackets. I got the bars in the house. We're gonna wire those up tonight. So by tomorrow, we should have the bars wired up with the orange hand controls over here, as y'all can see. Then everything will be on its way, man. I'm telling y'all, get in to win it while you can right now for $25 and get you 20 spots in the description below by copping you a last call SLIDN sticker to enter to win into the Silver Bullet giveaway. First place with the truck, second place right there, and we got a surprise for third place. But like I said, we're finally sold out, so this is the last final call. If you want to get in to win it and make it count today, man, you'll see what time it is. This thing is looking good, coming together like no other. The motor is completely blacked out. I love it just like that. It's looking good. Now all we need to put the icing on the cake is get the rims. So understand that, man. I'm telling y'all, it's been a long time coming, but y'all cannot tell me it's not worth the wait, man. I'm telling you, I love the way these bikes been coming from nothing all the way to something in very little time. But y'all see what's going on, man. This thing is looking good. I love the blackout light. Y'all don't even understand. It looks amazing. That's why I can't wait for this other new bike to come. And y'all gonna really love that, because I'm telling you, it's literally like both of these merged together all in one. But we're gonna get to it, man. I'm telling y'all, I tried to get this working on here. Like I said, we got the front 23 wraparound. The only real big thing we're waiting on for this bike, I have to go to Harley and grab an extended front brake line. After that, we're really gonna be good with the wheels and everything, man, because I'm telling y'all, look at it. It's game time. It's finally there. We are lit, man. I cannot wait. It's the final finished product, almost there. But for now, we're about to clean all of this up, push this thing to the side, get it ready for a cool little wash when we get the wheels this week. And we're about to finish getting this thing on the way. We got second place right here with the harness on the ground. 2015 Roadglide, looking good, iced up, looking amazing. I'm telling y'all, I cannot wait. This thing is coming together. We got the washers with the chrome Allens, all the powder coated parts on the floor still with a bag of washers. So understand that. We got the exhaust we got to put on too. But like I said, man, we've been making a lot of progress. So understand, Friday, we are going live 3/31/23, giving away both of these bikes with the truck. That's why it's crunch time right now. I have to get everything done before Friday, but it's good. I got a lot of packages coming in the mail. We got our front 21 for this bike coming in the mail. Already got the back rim. We got the rotors. Antonio has the paint right now. The paint should be done by Monday. Besides that, everything is on the way, man. That's why I'm telling y'all, get in to win it while you can for $25 right now and get you 20 spots on the last final call, because I'm telling y'all, we are sold out of all patches, hats, and keychains. So I appreciate everyone for all the support. Like I said, this Friday we'll be going live. For everyone who haven't got in to win it, you still can right now. So get in to win it while you can. Like I said before, I'm gonna make the list right now until Friday. Once I finish it, I'm gonna upload it and give everybody the chance to find their names and numbers. From there, we're gonna go live and give it away, man. So understand that. I appreciate everybody for all the support. It's been a long time coming, but I'm telling y'all, man, I'm amped up and excited because it's only the beginning. I'm telling you, look how good this bike have came. I mean, look how good this bike is looking and how far it has came. I'm gonna put a video up of this bike when I first got it at my old storage unit shop, building it, getting it together when I first got it crashed and dirty, salvaged out. But look how amazing it looks now. This thing have definitely came a long way, man. We got first place with the 2019 Roadglide MA 114 in here, looking good. Waiting on that 23 and an 18 custom rims is about to set it off the chain, I'm telling y'all. But enough of that. We about to get to it, man. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. We sliding, not hiding. Y'all see what's going on, man. We working. So that's a wrap for the video today, y'all. We got this thing on the way. We had to literally rearrange the whole garage. I see I got my boy Roking back in here from the dyno shop. It did not work out the way we wanted, so I still got to get some more work in on that to figure out the problem. But it's all good because we're coming along, man. I'm telling y'all. I got the drop in here because I got to work on some things on this before we drop this thing off. And then as y'all see, man, we got these Kings and Glides in here looking amazing and good. We got the silver bullet. We got the purple, I don't even know. I don't want to say purple rain because we've seen that already. I'm trying to think of another one. We got the purple, I don't even know, but y'all see what's going on. But yeah, we're not done for today, man, but I am done working on the silver bullet for now. We got the motor on there looking good. The only thing we need, like I said, is the exhaust and the wheels. I got the bars in the house. These are the extra set I'm gonna end up probably saving for my next bike. I got another powder coated set in the house with the actual wires for this bike because I'm working on those inside, soldering those. That's gonna be done. We got this joint on the way I'm gonna get back to later today so I can get all these brackets and whatnot on here. But like I said, we're about to slide to LA, get this paint set hopefully today, fingers crossed. If not, we'll wait till Monday or Tuesday. And even still, it'll still be a success because we're going live this Friday, 3/31/23. So get in to win it while you can. We got first place with the truck and we got second place right here, plus a third place. I have not announced what it's going to be yet, but you got to get in to win to find out, man. So like I said, I appreciate everybody for all the support, everything with your boy, man. It's been a long time coming, but it's time to keep working to get it in, man. You already know what's going on. We got to stay consistent and keep it going, man. I'm telling you, it's don't stop at all, for real. We working though. Y'all see what's going on, man. We sliding, not hiding.